The Leaning Tower of Pisa, an architectural marvel. Hey there, and welcome back to the Basic Engineering. Today, we're exploring one of the world's most famous architectural marvels, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. With its unique tilt and centuries-old history, this tower has fascinated people around the globe. Let's uncover its story. Located in Pisa, Italy, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is part of the cathedral complex on the Piazza dei Miracoli. Construction of the tower began in 1173 and continued for nearly 200 years, spanning multiple generations of architects and builders. Originally designed as a freestanding bell tower for the cathedral, its most striking feature, the infamous lean, began during construction due to the soft, unstable subsoil. While the Leaning Tower of Pisa might not be as tall as some of the world's ancient wonders, its engineering challenges are unique. Think of it as the medieval version of modern engineering marvels. Just as the Great Pyramid of Khufu astounds with its precise geometry and massive scale, the Leaning Tower of Pisa demonstrates the resourcefulness of its builders, adjusting construction techniques over centuries to deal with the unexpected tilt. Let's take a closer look at the engineering behind the tower. The Leaning Tower was built using locally quarried limestone and marble. The construction involved a series of ramps and lever systems to move massive stone blocks into place. Although the soft soil caused the tower to lean, the builders ingeniously continued construction while adjusting techniques as needed. Over the last few decades, restoration work has played a crucial role in preserving the Leaning Tower of Pisa. In the 1990s, concerns over its stability led to a series of stabilization projects that successfully reduced the tilt by a few degrees, ensuring that the tower could be safely maintained. Engineers carefully extracted soil from one side and added counterweights, along with modern monitoring systems that keep a close eye on the structure's movements. Now, let's share some fun facts about the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Tilt and height. The tower stands at approximately 56 meters tall. Its famous lean is currently around 4 degrees off vertical, making it one of the most recognized structural quirks in the world. Precision in imperfection. Despite the lean, the base of the tower is level to within a few centimeters. That's like having a perfectly balanced scale, even if it's tilted. Visitor magnet. Every year, over 5 million tourists visit the tower, all eager to witness this unique feat of medieval engineering. Architectural adaptations. The tower's designers adjusted their building techniques as the lean became apparent, resulting in subtle changes to the structure that have become part of its charm. Enduring legacy. Having stood for nearly 800 years, the Leaning Tower of Pisa remains a testament to the resilience and creativity of its builders. Takeaway: the Leaning Tower of Pisa continues to inspire awe and curiosity. Its blend of historical significance, engineering brilliance, and cultural impact makes it one of the world's most iconic structures. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a history buff, or simply fascinated by ancient wonders, the tower offers endless insights into human ingenuity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the Basic Engineering for more deep dives into amazing engineering wonders. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you find most fascinating about the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.